Consume aloe vera for 30 days, and you won't believe what happened to your body organs. Aloe vera, often called the wonder plant, has been treasured for centuries due to its numerous health and beauty benefits. Whether it's used for skincare, digestion, or overall well-being, aloe vera has a long history of aiding humanity. Let's dive into what makes aloe vera so special, examining its scientifically backed benefits and exploring its uses. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Burn relief and wound healing. According to a review published on Medical News Today, aloe vera is highly effective in healing first and second-degree burns. Its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties help in soothing the skin, making it ideal for sunburns. A study by the Mayo Clinic also supports the claim that aloe vera may expedite healing, reducing recovery times by up to 9 days compared to conventional treatments. A 2023 meta-analysis published in the Journal of Herbal Medicine evaluated the efficacy of aloe vera for skin wound healing and found consistent evidence supporting accelerated wound closure and reduced scar tissue formation. Number 2. Acne and psoriasis treatment. Aloe vera is a popular remedy for acne and other inflammatory skin conditions like psoriasis. The gel contains compounds such as gibberellins and polysaccharides, which exhibit anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. A 2019 review in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology concluded that aloe vera can reduce both inflammatory and non-inflammatory acne when used regularly. Number 3. Joint and muscle pain. Aloe vera gel can be applied topically to help alleviate pain from arthritis or sore muscles. Its anti-inflammatory compounds, such as salicylic acid, help reduce swelling and provide relief. WebMD also notes that it can be used alongside other treatments for chronic conditions. Number 4. Libido enhancement. Aloe vera is known for boosting blood circulation, which may have a positive effect on male libido and overall sexual performance. Improved blood flow is critical for sexual function, and aloe vera juice has been suggested as a natural remedy for enhancing libido. Number 5. Prostate health. Some studies have indicated that aloe vera's anti-inflammatory properties may support prostate health by reducing inflammation. This can be beneficial for men experiencing symptoms of benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, which is common as men age. Number 6. Menstrual pain relief. Aloe vera juice may help alleviate menstrual cramps due to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Consuming aloe vera juice during menstruation can help reduce pain and discomfort. Number 7. Hydration and skin health during pregnancy. Aloe vera can be helpful for pregnant women by maintaining hydration and reducing skin issues such as stretch marks. The gel can be applied topically to improve skin elasticity and moisturize dry skin during pregnancy. Number 8. Anti-aging effects. The gel's rich supply of antioxidants, including beta-carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin E, helps improve skin firmness and hydration, combating signs of aging. Aloe vera's ability to stimulate fibroblast activity contributes to collagen production, which improves skin elasticity. Number 9. Digestive Aid. Aloe vera juice has been found to improve digestion by stimulating digestive enzymes. Healthline reports that aloe vera contains enzymes such as amylase and lipase, which aid in the breakdown of sugars and fats, making digestion more efficient. Number 10. Irritable bowel syndrome, IBS relief. A randomized controlled trial in 2021, cited by WebMD, found that aloe vera can alleviate symptoms of IBS, such as bloating and discomfort. Participants who consumed aloe vera showed significant improvements compared to the placebo group. Another 2022 study on aloe vera's benefits for IBS showed a reduction in abdominal pain and constipation among subjects who consumed aloe vera supplements regularly for 4 weeks. Number 11. Detoxification and hydration. Aloe vera's high water content, almost 99%, makes it an excellent option for maintaining hydration. Hydration is key for promoting healthy digestion and ensuring the proper functioning of other bodily systems. Number 12. Rich in antioxidants. Aloe vera contains potent antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress. Chronic oxidative stress is linked to a variety of diseases, including cancer. A study from Phytotherapy Research, 2020, highlighted aloe vera's antioxidant potential, which includes compounds like vitamins A, C, and E and phenols. Number 13. Acemannan's role in immunity. One of aloe vera's key polysaccharides, Acemannan, is particularly interesting. Research published by Mayo Clinic notes that Acemannan may stimulate macrophages, white blood cells, to release immune-boosting cytokines, enhancing the body's defense mechanisms. Number 14. Gum health. Aloe vera gel has been shown to reduce gingivitis and plaque when used as a mouth rinse. A study published in the Ethiopian Journal of Health Sciences found that aloe vera mouthwash was just as effective as chlorhexidine in reducing plaque without the harsh side effects. Number 15. Mouth ulcers. Aloe vera gel can be applied topically to reduce the pain and accelerate the healing of canker sores and mouth ulcers, as noted by Healthline. Number 16. Reduces dandruff. Aloe vera's antifungal properties help treat dandruff, which is often caused by fungal infections or dry scalp. The enzyme activity also helps remove dead cells from the scalp, promoting a healthy environment for hair growth. Number 17. Promotes hair growth. Aloe vera stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, which can contribute to faster hair growth. It also contains vitamins A, C, and E, which help rejuvenate hair and keep it strong. Well, that covers all the essential benefits of aloe vera. Now, let's explore the frequently asked questions and uses of aloe vera. Question 1. How to use aloe vera effectively. Aloe vera is incredibly versatile and can be used in different forms depending on your needs. For skin concerns like burns, cuts, or acne, applying fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant can be very effective. If you're looking to improve digestive health, boost immunity, or stay hydrated, try consuming aloe vera juice in moderation. Just be sure to choose decolorized and purified varieties to avoid any potential side effects. For oral health, an aloe vera-based mouthwash can help reduce plaque and enhance your dental hygiene. Additionally, you can mix aloe vera gel with coconut oil to create a nourishing hair mask that helps combat dandruff and adds a natural shine to your hair. Question 2. What is the major precautions when using aloe vera? When using aloe vera, it's crucial to take some precautions to ensure safe usage. First, avoid the unprocessed yellow latex found just beneath the leaf skin, as it acts as a strong laxative and can cause cramping or diarrhea. Additionally, some people may experience allergic reactions to aloe vera, particularly if they're allergic to plants in the Liliaceae family. To prevent adverse reactions, always perform a patch test before applying aloe vera gel extensively on your skin. Question 3. What happens if I take aloe vera daily? Taking aloe vera daily in moderate amounts can provide several health benefits, such as improved digestion, enhanced hydration, and boosted immune function. However, excessive consumption can lead to potential side effects such as electrolyte imbalances, dehydration, or gastrointestinal discomfort. A study cited by Healthline suggests limiting aloe vera juice intake to ensure it is decolorized to avoid adverse effects from compounds like aloin. Question 4. Is aloe vera gel good for the penis? Aloe vera gel is sometimes promoted for improving penile skin health and enhancing lubrication. However, there is limited scientific evidence to support this use specifically. It is essential to do a patch test for any allergic reaction before applying aloe vera gel to sensitive areas, and it's always best to consult a healthcare provider for such applications. Question 5. Who should not use aloe vera? People with allergies to plants in the Liliaceae family, such as garlic or onions, should avoid aloe vera. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should be cautious about consuming aloe vera, as some compounds may induce uterine contractions. Individuals with kidney issues or those taking medications like diuretics should also avoid it due to potential side effects. Question 6. Can aloe vera boost sperm? Some anecdotal evidence suggests that aloe vera may boost sperm count and motility due to its antioxidant properties. However, there is limited clinical evidence to substantiate this claim definitively. A 2018 animal study indicated that aloe vera might have some positive effects on sperm quality, but more human studies are needed to confirm this. Question 7. Can aloe vera lighten private parts? Aloe vera contains aloesin, a compound that can help lighten hyperpigmentation. It may help in reducing dark spots or discoloration in sensitive areas, but results vary. It's crucial to use it cautiously and avoid any irritation. Consulting with a dermatologist is advisable before using aloe vera for skin lightening purposes in intimate areas. Question 8. Is it safe to eat aloe vera raw? Eating raw aloe vera is generally safe if you remove the latex, which is the yellowish substance under the skin. The latex contains aloin, which can cause digestive issues like diarrhea and cramping. Always ensure you are consuming decolorized aloe vera that has been processed to remove aloin, as per guidelines from Mayo Clinic. Question 9. Who should avoid aloe vera juice? Individuals with gastrointestinal disorders, such as Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis, should avoid aloe vera juice, as it may exacerbate symptoms. Additionally, those taking medications for diabetes or blood pressure should be cautious, as aloe vera can potentially lower blood sugar and blood pressure, leading to complications. Question 10. How to make aloe vera juice? To make aloe vera juice at home, follow these steps. Cut a mature aloe vera leaf and wash it thoroughly. Remove the thick green skin and scoop out the clear gel. Rinse the gel to remove any traces of latex. Blend the gel with water in a ratio of about 1.3 until smooth. Optionally, add lemon juice or honey for flavor. Ensure to consume in moderation and store any remaining juice in the refrigerator. Question 11. Does aloe vera whiten skin? Aloe vera can help reduce hyperpigmentation and lighten dark spots over time due to compounds like aloesin, which inhibits melanin production. A 2019 study published in Phytoterapia highlighted aloe vera's potential to reduce skin pigmentation when used consistently. However, it is not a quick fix, and results depend on individual skin types and conditions. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness special tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.